how to fix Twitter. Nothing to see here on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter. Nothing to see here on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now type here Twitter and then click force stop, and now click storage and then click clear cache, and after that just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.